Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can log in with your free Outlook for the Windows. Actually they made it available for everyone now, so I guess we can actually able to sign in with our any kinds of email in this. For example, I have a hosting account and I have a free email for that. So nowadays I can directly use my hosting emails on this one, so I don't have to go to the dashboard all the time to check for the email. I can send all kinds of emails and receive emails just by one software, which is actually very great. And for the fact they made it available for free is amazing. So let me show you how I was able to do this. First, you have to download this from your Microsoft Store. You can actually download this for free. Actually, I directly tried to log in with my hosting email ID here, but for some reason it did not let me finish it. Maybe it's a server error, I guess. So what I did was a little bit different. I already have a Microsoft email ID, so I used my Microsoft email ID in order to log in this software. But the direct login did not work for me, so I clicked for the advanced option and then I used for the Microsoft email. Luckily for me, this time it worked, because this email was already logged in my computer, so it did not ask for me any further username and password, and it directly got in. Once I got inside, I was able to add my hosting email address after that. In order to do that, you have to go to the settings, and there is an option for accounts, and in that section you can find an option to add your email address. Here I'm going to enter my hosting email ID, and when it asks me about to enter the password and stuff, I will choose the advanced option and I will do all the configuration there. My email server is actually hosted on my web server, so I'm using my domain name as the server address and I'm entering my email account password. And here I have entered my email address as the username, and for the server I used the domain name, and that's it. Once we configured all of this, we can just click continue and we will wait for it to confirm the authentication. Once it's done, we can able to send email and receive emails from one place, which is our software. Once it's done, we need to reopen this software in order to sync the emails. It may work directly for some of you, but for me it did not sync until I restart the application. And as you can see, it worked. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.